Milwaukee has a ton of options when it comes to hole saw kits, anywhere from 9 pieces all the way up to 28 pieces like this guy, to fit every budget and need that you could have. They all include the hole saws, obviously, along with usually a couple pilots, an arbor or two, and some adapters, as well as this little accessory drawer right here. You can use this to store additional arbors, pilots, or anything else you might need while you're on the job. And if you don't think you'll be needing it at all, you can pull it out completely to give more room to store even more hole saws. So let's be real here. At this point, everyone's at least heard of Milwaukee's PACKOUT container system if they haven't already started their collection. The really cool part about their hole saw kits though is that they all include this hard shell carrying case that was designed specifically to fit into any PACKOUT box you can have. The organizers? Yeah, it'll fit. The 3-drawer toolbox? Sure, throw it in. That huge rolling tool chest? Be careful not to lose it in there, Mary Poppins. How about that low profile organizer? Okay, so maybe not any box, but you get the idea. Milwaukee is unrivaled when it comes to mobile, snap-together storage, and these kits are a great way to make sure you have everything you need to get the job done all in one convenient place. Order yours today from the link below and feel free to let us know if you have any questions. Did you like that video? Did you find it helpful? Give us a like, we'd really appreciate it. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.